Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are having a lovely day because you know what? I'm not. And today, what we're going to show you is the new Colourpop palette that I got from Mercari that I bought for $10. All of a sudden, I'm in a pithy mood. I wonder why. So before we get started on showing you that freaking Colourpop palette, you go ahead and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this. So anyways, okay. So before I show you this palette, I'm going to tell you, I did get this freaking package in the mail, but it was not the seller's fault on Mercari. It was a USPS. I'm so pissed. For real, I am so freaking upset because look, I'm going to show you real quick so that way you don't like look at my address and whatnot. Anyway, so it came in here. Look at all the nastiness, dirtiness. Everything was fine except for one freaking color. So this is the Main Squeeze Colourpop palette. I think it's a beautiful freaking color on the outside. But then when I go ahead and show you the inside, so you see that middle color? I hope you saw it. Because you know what? I had to scrape everything from inside this, from inside that, into the little pan, and of course I had to add a little bit of alcohol in it just to put everything together, press it together, blah blah blah, this and that. I'm going to go ahead and start from here, and I'll name all of these. So this is Froze or Froze, Juicy Fruit is the second one, and the Home Slice, Like It's Hot, Maraschino, Big Gulp, Seed Money, Baywatch, Red Bottoms. I really love the sound of red bottoms because I think it's super freaking cute. Yeah, because it sounds, I don't know. It sounds so exciting. We're going to go ahead and swatch these real quick. Here we go. I'm going to try this one. Okay, that one's really satiny. Here's the middle one. Hopefully it doesn't fall to pieces while I'm trying to show you guys because, oh my God, I don't ever want to go through this again. All right, we're going to go ahead and swatch these. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. Ooh, I like that middle one. Oh, I adore you right now, man. It's lovely. Here we go. We are going to start with this one here. That one feels a little bit greedy. I wonder why it's greedy. I meant gritty. And this one, I'm pretty sure that's going to be smooth. It's got to be, well, kind of sort of smooth. A little bit of satiny, but not bad. That one's satiny. All right, gonna go ahead and swatch these real quick. I'm trying not to press on it so hard. My God, that middle one. I don't know why, but I am the shimmery girl. Like, for reals. Look at it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one. I don't like that it feels gritty on that first row. The second one, kind of, but you know, it's not bad. Third one. The third one is actually kind of satiny. So here's this one. That. Oh my gosh. Look at that second one. It's so freaking cute. I went ahead and bought this for $10 on Mercari from a great seller. I did message her and tell her, just make sure when you shop at Mercari or anywhere else, just make sure you sanitize everything you get and whatnot with sprays and what have you. I don't feel like having to send everything back, which is just one item. And you know, by the time I get it back, and I really wanted to do this review here, and what can I do? It is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and make sure you click that subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you guys don't miss a thing. I love you guys. Bye-bye.